Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I'm coming to you from Dairy Queen with a mini blizzard. I already took a bite because it's really good. This is the Raspberry Fudge Bliss, I think is what it's called. It's tasty is what it is. It's raspberry with fudge bites and also maybe like some chocolate chip items. It's so good. I've never done I don't do many dessert videos. Have I ever done a dessert video? Like only dessert? I don't think so. My dessert week got ruined because it was not good. My little food poisoning situation was bad. This isn't what I wanted to do for that video. I still want to do the thing I wanted to do, but this sounded so good today. It's really tasty. This is the mini size. I love the mini size because I can't eat like a ton of ice cream. I just get sugared out kind of quick. So the mini is perfect when you want a little taste. I thought about getting some chicken strips as well, but then I was like, chicken and ice cream is kind of weird. Plus my last two videos have been chicken. Guys, do you like DQ blizzards? I love DQ blizzards. The fudge pieces are so good. I also wanted to give you an update since my last video and a house update for the couple of people who've asked. So in my last video, if you missed it, I said I need to start eating better and just get my shit together basically, because I was just kind of eating whenever I wanted to, which I can't do because I don't have a fast metabolism. I have to like work really hard and be extra aware of my diet to just like maintain weight. So when I eat whatever I want, I gain weight, and I don't enjoy gaining weight. So I have to check myself every now and then. But since that video, I've lost 6 pounds, which is kind of exciting. I just use the app MyFitnessPal. I'm just really diligent about keeping track of everything that I'm eating throughout the day. And that always works for me. But that's that update. As far as the house goes, we've been in it a month now. And we're all unpacked finally. That took forever. And we're slowly decorating rooms. The living room is pretty much done. But that'll take a while. Well, I kind of wish I'd gotten chicken strips because that was fast, but really good. Yeah, so we're just decorating, and I feel like it's gonna take forever to get everything just how we want it. But we love it. What I don't love though about having a house now is that 4 people, what is the light doing? 4 people in the last 2 weeks have rung my doorbell trying to sell me security systems, which is annoying. I don't answer the door. I peek through my blinds and they can't see me. I like make sure that I'm very sneaky about it. But half the time I'm not wearing pants, and I'm not gonna answer the door without pants on, but I'm also not going to get up, put pants on to answer the door. And also, I don't like answering the door unless I'm expecting someone, like I ordered food, or I'm expecting Amazon or something. I don't like answering the door to strangers, especially these days. Like, I'm under the impression that everyone's like gonna kill me. Like, not in a dramatic way, but you never know these days. There's all sorts of scams and bad people out there, and so just don't answer the door is my rule of thumb. All right, well, that was really tasty, but I don't want to just sit and talk without food because I feel like no one enjoys that. So I'm gonna go, but thanks for tuning into this very quick video. If you haven't gotten a Dairy Queen Blizzard, try it out. They're very tasty. That was the Raspberry Fudge Bliss. It was very good. But my all-time favorite DQ Blizzard is the Pumpkin Pie. Oh my gosh, it is so good. The Pumpkin Pie Blizzard is amazing. And I heard that it will be available. It's seasonal, obviously. It's a fall thing. But I heard it'll be available at the end of this month. I think on the 31st. So I'm very excited for Pumpkin Pie Blizzard season. And that's all I have to say. Hope you guys are having a great week, and I will talk to you later. I really want to do a barbecue video. I've been wanting to do a barbecue video ever since I moved back to Kansas City, but we went to a place last weekend. So good, and I want to do that. I don't know what these hand signals are, but I'm going to do a barbecue video soon, so look out for that. Okay, bye.